As a website owner or marketer, one of your primary goals is to ensure that your website ranks well on search engine results pages, SERPs. One way to improve your search engine visibility is to use structured data markup. By using structured data markup, you can help search engines better understand the content on your web pages, which can result in better search visibility. Here are some top tips for using structured data markup for better search engine visibility. Choose the appropriate schema markup. Schema markup is a standardized vocabulary that helps search engines understand the content on a web page. To use schema markup effectively, you need to choose the appropriate schema markup for your content. For example, if your website contains recipes, you should use the recipe schema markup. You can find a list of all the schema markup types on the schema.org website. Implement the markup correctly. Once you've chosen the appropriate schema markup, you need to implement it correctly. To do this, follow the guidelines provided by schema.org. Use the appropriate properties and follow the syntax guidelines. If you're not familiar with coding, you may want to work with a developer or use a schema markup generator tool. Use multiple types of markup. You can use multiple types of markup on a single page to help search engines better understand the content. For example, a product page can include both product schema and review schema. Using multiple types of markup can help you provide more context and information about your content. Use structured data testing tools. Before you publish your web page, use Google's structured data testing tool or another similar tool to check that your markup is implemented correctly and identify any errors. Testing your markup can help ensure that it's working as intended and avoid potential issues that could impact your search visibility. Keep your markup up to date. As your content changes, make sure to update your schema markup to accurately reflect the changes. This will help ensure that search engines continue to understand the content on your web pages and help maintain or improve your search visibility. Monitor your performance. After implementing structured data markup, it's important to monitor your site's performance in search results. This will help you determine if your markup is having the desired effect on search visibility. Keep track of your rankings, traffic, and click-through rates, CTRs, to gauge the impact of your structured data markup efforts. In conclusion, using structured data markup can be an effective way to improve your website's search engine visibility. By following these top tips, you can use schema markup to help search engines better understand the content on your web pages, which can lead to better search visibility and increased traffic to your website.